Fish farming has emerged as a promising avenue for those seeking a profitable agribusiness venture. With advancements in technology and growing demand for fresh fish, even a modest investment of $1,000 can set the stage for a successful operation. This relatively low entry cost allows aspiring entrepreneurs to tap into a market with significant growth potential. By carefully managing resources and adopting efficient farming practices, individuals can achieve impressive returns. Fish farming not only offers financial rewards, but also contributes to food security and sustainable livelihoods. The SMART-AGRI Hub approach is designed to empower aspiring fish farmers by providing them with the resources and support they need to succeed. Through a combination of digital tools, expert guidance, and access to a network of industry professionals, the Hub helps individuals navigate the complexities of starting and growing a fish farming business. It offers tailored training, market insights, and practical solutions to common challenges. By fostering collaboration and innovation, the Smart Agri Hub creates an environment where new and experienced farmers alike can thrive and scale their operations efficiently. Fish farming offers several significant advantages for both individuals and communities. With the global demand for seafood steadily increasing, fish farming provides a reliable way to meet market needs without overexploiting natural fish populations. This method is often more sustainable than traditional fishing, as it allows for controlled breeding and resource management. For small-scale entrepreneurs, fish farming can be a profitable venture, offering steady income opportunities and contributing to local food security. Additionally, it can create jobs and stimulate economic growth in rural areas. Starting a fish farming business with a $1,000 budget requires careful planning and strategic decision-making. Begin by researching the most suitable fish species for your region and market demand, as this will influence your setup and operational costs. Next, outline your expenses, including tanks or ponds, fingerlings, feed, and basic equipment, ensuring you allocate funds efficiently. Develop a simple business plan that covers your production goals, marketing strategies, and risk management. By focusing on essential elements and maintaining a clear budget, you can lay a strong foundation for a successful fish farming venture. Choosing the appropriate fish species for your farm is a crucial decision that depends on several factors. Climate plays a significant role, as certain species thrive better in specific temperature ranges and water conditions. It's also important to consider current market trends, identifying which fish are in high demand and fetch better prices. Evaluating the profitability of each species, including growth rates and feed conversion, helps ensure your farm remains sustainable and competitive. By carefully weighing these aspects, you can maximize both the productivity and financial success of your aquaculture operation. Selecting the right location for your fish pond or tank is crucial for long-term success. Look for an area that receives adequate sunlight, has good drainage, and is easily accessible for maintenance. It's important to avoid places prone to flooding or contamination. To save on costs, consider using locally available materials for construction and repurposing containers or tanks when possible. Careful planning at this stage can help minimize future expenses and ensure a healthy environment for your fish. Starting with a budget of $1,000, it's important to allocate your funds strategically to maximize efficiency. Begin by setting aside around $400 for essential equipment or tools specific to your venture. Next, dedicate $300 to marketing efforts, such as creating a simple website or running targeted ads. Reserve $200 for inventory or raw materials, ensuring you have enough to meet initial demand. Finally, keep $100 as a contingency fund to cover unexpected expenses or opportunities that may arise. Selecting high-quality fingerlings is crucial for successful fish farming. Look for reputable suppliers who maintain healthy breeding stocks and can provide certifications or references. When it comes to feed, choose products that meet the specific nutritional needs of your fish species, as this directly impacts growth rates and overall health. Establishing a relationship with trustworthy suppliers ensures consistent quality and availability. Regularly monitor fish growth and adjust feeding practices as needed to optimize results. Effective daily management is essential for promoting healthy fish growth and preventing disease. Regularly monitoring water quality parameters such as temperature, pH, and oxygen levels helps maintain a stable environment. Feeding should be consistent and appropriate for the species, avoiding overfeeding to reduce waste buildup. Observing fish behavior and appearance each day allows for early detection of health issues. Promptly removing uneaten food and debris further supports water clarity and overall fish well-being. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Here, we explore the latest insights and innovations in fish farming. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, your experiences and questions are valuable to our community. Join the conversation and connect with others who share your passion for sustainable agriculture. Effective marketing is essential for successfully selling your fish. Local markets, such as farmers markets or specialty grocery stores, offer direct access to customers who value fresh, locally sourced products. Expanding your reach through online platforms can help you connect with a broader audience, allowing for convenient ordering and delivery options. Building strong relationships with your customers by providing excellent service and consistent quality encourages repeat business and positive word of mouth. Combining these strategies can help you establish a loyal customer base and grow your fish selling venture. Estimating profits and return on investment requires careful analysis of both production cycles and current market prices. By understanding how long it takes to produce goods and the costs involved at each stage, you can create more accurate financial projections. It's important to consider fluctuations in market demand and price trends, as these can significantly impact your bottom line. Realistic projections help in setting achievable goals and managing expectations for growth. This approach ensures that investment decisions are grounded in practical, data-driven insights. Fish farming presents several common challenges, including disease outbreaks, water quality management, and fluctuating market prices. Farmers often struggle with maintaining optimal conditions for fish health, which can lead to losses if not addressed promptly. Practical solutions include regular monitoring of water parameters, adopting biosecurity measures, and diversifying species to reduce risk. Additionally, establishing reliable supply chains and staying informed about market trends can help ensure business sustainability. By proactively addressing these obstacles, fish farmers can improve productivity and secure long-term success. SMART-AGRI Hub offers a comprehensive range of resources and support for new fish farmers. Through specialized training programs, participants can gain essential knowledge about modern aquaculture techniques and best practices. Mentorship opportunities connect newcomers with experienced professionals who provide guidance and practical advice. Additionally, networking events and forums facilitate valuable connections within the industry, helping new farmers build relationships and share insights. These resources are designed to empower individuals at every stage of their fish farming journey. Starting a profitable fish farming business with just $1,000 is entirely achievable by following a few essential steps. Careful planning, selecting the right fish species, setting up cost-effective infrastructure, and managing daily operations efficiently are all crucial to success. By keeping expenses low and focusing on sustainable growth, you can maximize your returns even with a modest initial investment. Remember, every successful agribusiness begins with a single step. Take action today and move closer to achieving your goals in the world of fish farming.